Let's make a traditional German cheesecake with a little bit of a modification. To start, we're going to make the crust. To begin, we're going to sift some powdered sugar into a large bowl, add an egg yolk and vanilla extract, and beat until creamy. Next, we're going to add some softened diced butter, salt and flour, and continue to beat until the dough becomes crumbly. Transfer the dough onto a work surface and shape it with your hands into a large dough ball. To prepare the spring form for the dough, grease it with butter and dust it with flour, shake off any excess flour and set it aside. Sprinkle some flour onto your work surface. Next, use a rolling pin to roll the dough into a surface that's larger than the spring form and the sides. Transfer the dough into a spring form and cover the bottom as well as the sides. Use a fork to poke holes into the bottom. Now it's time to make the filling. Begin by melting 2 sticks of butter. Once melted, set it aside. Next, separate 6 eggs into egg yolks and egg whites. Beat the egg whites until stiffened. And you can do the quick upside down test to see if the egg whites are really stiff. Now into the bowl with the egg yolks. Add the sugar, vanilla extract, salt, lemon zest, and fresh lemon juice. Add the lightly cooled melted butter and beat until well combined. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients: cornstarch, baking powder, and flour. Beat until well combined, and then it's time to add the Greek yogurt. Now in Germany, you would use something called Magerquark, which is a 0% fat type of Quark. Now Quark is super hard to find in the US, so we need a substitute. And I found that 0% fat Greek yogurt works best. Lastly, gently fold the stiffened egg whites into the cheesecake batter. Pour the cheesecake batter into the spring form. Bake the German cheesecake for 60 to 70 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the oven and allow to cool for a few minutes. Use a butter knife and gently run it between the outer ring and the crust. Then carefully remove the outer ring. And here is a beautifully baked German cheesecake. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. For more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com. Tschüss!